Hey guys, study with Philo back again with another video, and in this video we will see what are data types. Data types is an important concept in any programming language. Basically, the important data types are the integer, float, string, etc. But data types in Python include some other features also like list, dictionary, tuple, sets, and boolean too. As you can see, integers are whole numbers. Example 3, 300, 200. And then floating points. Floating point includes decimal numbers like 2.3 and string. String are the order sequence of characters like hello, semi, etc. And in Python, the important data types are the list, which are ordered of sequence. Basically, list is the order sequence of object. Lists are declared in the square brackets. And dictionary are the combinations of unordered keys and value pairs. And further, tuples are immutable sequence of objects, which means we can't change or append or insert any value in the tuple. And further, the sets are unordered collection of unique objects. And the last are the Boolean values. These are the logical values indicating true or false.